Hey guys, so I wanted to show you around our course page. All of mine should be the same except for maybe this little course picture up here. Miss Bagwell's is put together really similarly, so this should help you all as well. So I am viewing the course as a student, so that I see what you all see and not all the little extra stuff. So that's what this gray bar is. If we go to courses and we click on the course that we want, it'll bring up the home page or the materials page. There are 10 buttons down here underneath the virtual classroom. If you are on a phone, I do not think that you'll be able to see the buttons. However, all of the buttons have their own folder down here at the bottom. So the For the Parents button and the class newsletter buttons, well, let me go back. That's what happens if you click the For the Parents button. The For the Parents and class newsletter buttons are down here in this Welcome to 6th grade folder. The Interactive button and 5-a-day button have their own folders down here. For the first, second, third, and fourth quarter buttons, right now you all can only see the first quarter. As the year goes on, the other folders will be added for the other quarters. And finally, the green Teams button has the link for our meeting every day, and that can also be found down here in the black Meetings folder. The last folder down here that doesn't have a button is called YouTube Help Videos. And all of these videos that I'm recording and Ms. Bagwell will be recording will be found in this folder for you to go back and watch when you need to. So what you do when you first log in, you're going to click on the Teams meeting button or folder, and we'll have our whole class meeting link. If you miss a day because you're sick or you have a doctor's appointment, but you're just not, or something happens and you're just not able to get to the meeting, you can click on recordings of daily meetings and it will have the previous days there for you. And then if we want to go back, we can click the materials button. Each day before we get into our team meeting, you'll click on the first quarter, the week, which last week was week 2. I haven't made the other one public yet. And then you'll click on the day of the week that you want. Just for example, I'll click on Monday. And then it'll have your assignments for that day. The very first thing you'll look at is where it says check here first. And this will be kind of an explanation of what you need to do for that day. And it'll tell you what your assignments are and all of that. If we click back on the materials button, it'll take us back. So the 5-a-days for the week, they'll be posted in here. The virtual students will have their 5-a-day listed here, and they can click on it and download it to their computer, so they'll have for the week. You can either work on it on your computer or you can have a piece of paper and pencil to work on it. On Fridays, our quiz for the 5-a-day will come up here, and that's where you'll go for this. Go back to the materials. A couple days a week, we will be working in our interactive notebooks, and there's one for each unit. This time it's Unit 1, and you'll just click on that and go into My Document and open it up, and I will make another video on where to go from there. I hope this helps.